Hello and welcome to a quick 15-minute face massage routine for healthy and glowing skin. Before we get started, please make sure you have washed your hands and face nicely. Start by applying some serum, oil or moisturizer of your choice and as per your skin type. This massage can be done by both men and women and at any time during the day or before you sleep. Also, it's a follow-along video, so I'm expecting you are practicing with me. Begin with our forehead. Bring your fingertips at the center of your forehead and gently pressing the tip fingertips, glide them down to the temple region and again up, softly gliding down to the sides. Practice along 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we are just using the index and the middle finger. Gently roll back, rotate. Start inhaling and exhaling consciously along with the massage. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now with the same fingers we are going under eyes and moving up on the eyebrows. Very minimal pressure under eyes. Keep your eyes closed and nicely rotate in a circular motion. 10, 9, keep the rest of your face relaxed. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we just need one finger on the top of the nose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Interlock your fingers. Start here on the middle of your nose, gently gliding down. Apply good pressure for this movement as you are trying to depuff. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the hands down and to take a break and give the hands a break. Let's roll our neck. Going clockwise for 5 rounds. Inhale as you look up and exhale as you look down. Rotate anti-clockwise. Make sure you are sitting straight. at the ceiling. Exhale down, chin to the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Let's get back to the massage with the blinking of our eyes. Middle finger on the top of the nose, index finger on the sides. Sit straight, focus at any one point in front of you, and consciously, forcefully blink your eyes. Open. Let's do it together 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bring your fingers, the index and the middle finger, at the middle of your nose, placing the thumb under the chin, and gently start gliding around the cheekbone and lift it up. Keep it slow, stable and gentle. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. And now your middle finger stays in front of the ear. Index finger goes back. Both the sides with equal pressure. Massage up and down to the length of your ear. Eyes closed. This is very relaxing. Continue with me. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Coming down to the lip plumping. Grab your lips nicely and gently press from the center to the sides. Come down to the chin. Tuck your thumb under the chin and gently start gliding down with the help of your index finger knuckles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now, holding the chin properly, use your index and middle finger from the right hand, lifting the jawline up and bringing the same fingers down on the right side of your neck. Lift up and down. Let's practice along. You can then turn your face to the left for more space on the right side. Lift up, down. 1, 2, 3, Change the side. Now just grab your chin with the right hand. Turn your face to the right, lifting up with the left hand, and then slowly gliding down to the left side of the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to the center. Look up and placing the fingers on the sides of your face. Start from the middle of your neck, gliding the thumb upwards. Make sure you are looking up nicely, keeping the front of the neck stretched. Keep moving. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look straight and take your fingers at the back of your neck, joining the fingertips and gently gliding to the front till the collarbones. Back again. Relax the neck. Release or relax any stiffness. 5 more. Now just massage nicely. Press. Release the hands down and sit straight with your eyes closed. Before we end the practice, we will take a few breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale very softly through the mouth. Breathe with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keeping your eyes closed. Bring your palms together and start rubbing. Once you start feeling the warmth, start by placing them on your eyes. Slowly moving to the entire face, to the neck, back of the neck. Thank you for practicing along. I hope you feel relaxed and a little better. Let me know down in the comments. And for more videos on yoga, skincare and lifestyle, do subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next one. Keep practicing.